work here.
You work here?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
You from?
I'm from India. We are just
Okay.
traveling.
Nice.
So work here for how long?
5 years.
5 years. So you've rented an apartment here?
Yeah, definitely.
So I had a question in my mind. Let me ask you, what's the rent like here?
15k baht.
15k baht for a
Yeah.
month?
Yeah, plus minus.
Okay.
Depends on the condition.
How many rooms do you get?
One room.
One room. And does it include the kitchen also?
Yeah.
Okay. 15k baht in Bangkok.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Nice to know.
You guys
Thank
are heading to
Chinatown.
Chinatown, yeah.
And here we have the Communist Cafe. And now I see Chinatown. This is the road the market is on. You see the signboards? I think we will have to stay here till it gets dark to see Chinatown in all its glory. Those neon signs with Chinese alphabet will glitter only when it's dark. Let's cross the road now. Okay, now it's getting crowded. What is this? Look at this now. Missy, how does Chinatown look? Crowded. How does Missy look? Shillong people are going to love it. Meghalaya people are going to love this vlog. Rocking the Jankir Shah in Bangkok. What is he selling? What is it?
Chestnut.
Chestnut.
Yes.
Okay. How do you eat it?
Have to peel the skin.
Peel the skin. Okay.
Right.
Try it. Okay. So do you want to try?
We call it so'ot.
So hot. You know?
That what is that nut? There's a smaller one also.
It's good. How much?
1 kg, half kg.
Half kg 150. We just want to have for snack. Can we get less than half kg? 100?
baht.
We only want little. Like 50 baht. 30 baht. Yeah, give us. Let's take it for 30 bahts. What is this?
Sand, stone.
I think that's how they.
Oh, that's how they. Yeah. They are cooking the chestnut in that. Kapun kap. Alright. So that's our first purchase here in Chinatown. Let me have more of it. It's tasty actually. It's little sweet, not too sweet.
Remember the smaller size also, those round in Shillong. There are two types.
Oh.
There's big one and the smaller size.
Okay.
But we eat it raw.
Okay.
Like we don't
Can
fry
we
like that.
can we throw it here? Alright. Now let's find something else. We have not even entered the market yet. Let me see the map again to see where exactly the market is. Alright, it's up there, 4 minutes. You want to eat? This looks like another world. Now this looks like China. We've not been to China, but and look at the things that they're selling here. The seafood, the crab, the shells. What is this beast? That's a giant squid, I think, that Missy has taken a picture with yesterday. Okay, let me keep showing you the front view because I don't want to bore you guys showing my face. Seafood again. Oh, look at that. is it a Chinese dress? Here we're going to get, we are seeing a lot of new food here that we have not seen also so far. We've almost spent a week here and still we are discovering new food items. Like this one, coconut pancake. Let me see how this is. How much for this? 60 baht. Okay. We will take this one. Let's have coconut pancake. I would love to eat one right now. So let me open the packet. Right, let's have the coconut pancake now. And I'll tell you how it is.
Hello.
Hello. It's good. It's very tasty. It's not warm anymore, but still, it's tasty. See how they're making it.
Very tasty.
Let me have one more of this, and then we go further. These shops are opening now. Again, we are not yet in the middle of the market. So, before we get to the market, we don't want to get full. So, let's go quickly into the market and then we will do further shopping. Very crowded place here. This jackfruit. Oh, mango rice again. We've had mango rice twice. So now we don't want to have mango rice anymore. Fans. You could buy fans like that in Vietnam also, because these places are very hot. So people like to carry fans with them. See that this is how they roast the chestnut. Chestnuts are very popular here, is what I'm seeing. Yeah, recently I was watching a video from South Korea, Harold Boulder. He went to South Korea. So yeah, I remember now. He was also buying chestnuts. So in Southeast Asia, I think chestnuts are popular. Now look at the clothes here. If you want to buy traditional Chinese clothes, you can come here. Assalamu alaikum. Good, good. Where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad. You?
Okay, I'm also from India.
आप इंडिया से?
हाँ हाँ
यहाँ यूट्यूब पर है?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
दर्शन.
चलो मैंने सोचा कोई आपने वो स्टाइल किया तो मैंने बोला
नहीं नहीं उसमें क्या है, ठीक है. Alright. He thought I'm a Muslim, so he greeted me because of my this look. हाँ. Okay, now I think that is the market. Let me see once on map. Yeah. And now we are in the heart of Chinatown. This is where the market begins. This is where the market begins. We've already bought 2 items before we reached the market. But now the real food hunting and shopping will begin once we enter. We have to wait here.
Is like food hunting, like
What is it?
Like Beijing ba?
Yeah, that's in Khasi for food hunting.
The translation is very weird.
Right, now we can cross the road. This is durian. This is durian, right?
Durian?
Is it durian?
Durian.
Oh, this is not durian? Oh, this one? Okay. Then I don't know how durian looks from outside. Elephant pants.
ได้แล้ว
Chicken here. Duck noodle. Oh, duck noodles.
Duck. They are duck.
They are ducks. Yeah, they are ducks. I guess this is also the same. Oh, pomegranate drink. Let's try this.
Yeah.
We have not had pomegranate drink here. How much for this? 50?
Small 40.
40? Okay, one.
Big 50.
Okay, we'll take this one, small. Small. We'll take small.
This one.
Kapkan kap.
So you have to open.
Yeah.
Open.
Yeah, let me open this. Just hold. I'll open it. We have to be careful not to spill this, especially on Missy's white top. It's okay to spill it on Jankirsha though. It's the same color. How is it?
No?
Good? Right, let me have.
But not like mango or those
Take out the straw.
orange. But not like mango or orange.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It's good. I like it because it's not very sweet also. Men should not use straw. Now,
วันดีวันดี
oh my god. What is this? 3,000.
เลยค่ะ
Swadika, very big.
This is bigger.
Yeah, this is bigger than the one you held also.
ฮัลโหลอีสายอีสายเห็นไหมว่าการอะไร
So I think in the evening the shops close down and the little stalls come up in front of the shops. What is he making?
ครับพี่ร้านอยู่ตรงไหนพี่
You want to try? Sawadee krap.
ค่ะ
How much for one?
วันเซต100 บาท10 piece
One set.
10 piece 100 บาท
One said how many piece?
10
10 piece. One only. Oh?
Can we get only 5 piece? 50 baht? Okay. Let's have 5 pieces of whatever this is for 50 baht. Guys, we are taking smaller portions from everybody because we want to have a lot of food here. So if we fill ourselves in one place, we can't sample foods from everywhere. So she's putting corn, some meat here. She's going to mix it. And this is how she fries these containers. Yep. She's going to show us now. Okay. Let's have it. It's tasty. Very good. Okay.
60 baht.
50 baht. Yes. 60. Okay, I'll give you. You want to have it?
No.
You can have it. You can have it with you. Taste one.
Is it good?
It's good. Yeah.
Thank you.
So taste it. Let me know if you like it. Good.
Keo mà.
Yeah.
You want to take this one, Missy? Alright. So let's pay up then. 60 bahts. Apun ka,
Dạ.
I've given 1,500 bahts to Missy. And the shopping begins now. So far what we had was just little items that we saw, but this vlog is about Missy spending 1,500 bahts in this market. So I've given her that, and now Missy wants to go straight to the clothes section. She says no more food. Alright Missy, find the clothes section. I got it. It just takes us like
Bà cho chị bà. Hết bà cho hết bà.
Okay, now you can buy grocery here.
I can announce it.
I can look at food, right Missy? But I can't buy food anymore. Well, so far the food that we bought, we have not bought from your 1,500. So Missy has not lost anything. I think there are some shops there. You might like this shop. No?
We
Clothes?
should go to Thailand market, not Chinatown. Because all the things here are Chinese looking. Fine.
There are some shops here. Let's see if Missy will find what she is looking for here. Now this alley here is not very happening. Missy, I don't think we are going to find the kind of clothes that you're looking for here. For that we'll have to go to Khao San Road. So then what will happen with 1,500 bahts? Maybe this vlog will become a food vlog if we don't do other shopping here, because these are very normal shops. So in that alley we did not find the kind of shops that Missy is looking for. So I think Missy's 1,500 baht challenge, if you can call it that, is not happening in this vlog. Here we'll just have more food. So this becomes the food vlog in Chinatown, and we'll do the shopping tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last day, by the way. We're leaving in the evening. So in the morning or afternoon, we'll go to that market and make the shopping vlog. Now let's look at more food here in Chinatown. This is something different. I've not had it. Hello.
Spring pork and chicken.
How much for this?
150.
Okay. Give me one.
Oh, you like sauce?
Yes.
Okay.
You didn't get sick, right, of having sauce
No.
here?
No.
How much?
Because you want to
150.
experiment, right?
160. 160? Yeah, 50.
Bam na daw ni.
50, right? 50. Okay.
Bye.
Right. Do you have change?
Bam na taste naman kasi siya balik kanya. Like hata kaya.
Alright, let's see what this is. I see bread and I see something that looks like a what we call pakora in India. Yeah, it tastes just like that. So it's fried bread and then there is this pakora. You can have it, but there's no meat inside.
สั่งได้นะคะ
Pakora, but say pakora, right? And bread. Pakora with roti.
Do you like the taste?
อะไรไหมคะใช่ค่ะทานค่ะล่าเลยแยกคะล่าเลยปะล่าเลยทั้งคนเป็นข้างชุดละ50ค่ะพี่หมึกราคาชุดละ50ค่ะ300
Pork bread.
Are we having this pork bread?
ได้ค่ะ80 บาทค่ะ
Oh, so then this is pork bread, and then that means there is some meat in it. What else can we get in Chinatown? What else can we get in Chinatown? Some grapes, some berries. No, बहुत ज़्यादा है उसका प्राइस. I want to have a coconut, Missy.
Coconut? Where is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's have a coconut.
อะไรคะวอเตอร์ซัมติง
Sawadika, can we have 2 coconut?
60 บาท
Okay.
One, two.
Give us 2.
ชูโอเค
So we'll have 2 coconuts now.
เอ็ดไวย2ลำไย1
เขาสั่งแล้วมะพร้าวสอง
เอ็ดไวย2ลำไย1
Can you get chicken? That's how when they start the pot. Cream. With cream, right?
น้ำปั่นอะไรคะสั่งได้เลยค่ะ
They have cream also here. Just like in India, Thai people also like to eat coconut cream. And now when we're having coconut, we'll have to use the straw because it's very difficult to have coconut water directly from the coconut without making a mess. So in front of all these people, unless I want to make a mess, I'll have to use the straw.
อันนี้ค่าน้ำเปล่า2 ขวดบอกเขาเมื่อกี้ชิ้นเดียวเอาไป
You can use a spoon. You can use a spoon.
This is mine, Missy.
Give me that.
You want?
นี่ถ้วยเดียว
It's leaking a little, no?
น้ำเปล่าที่เป็นโมตังให้หมดไปแล้วอันออกให้เป็นแก้ถ้วยถึงใช่ไหมใช่เก็บแก้ถ้วย3เป็นแก้ถ้วยลำไย
Super natural style. It's very sweet, very sweet.
ปั่นอะไรพี่จ้า
Coconuts here are sweeter than those in India.
When we went to Assam,
ตาไม่
remember
พ้นเหรอ
all those free food that we had? It's not sweet, it's watery.
กี่แก้ว
It's not sweet, it's watery.
Because to me there is no taste.
Oh yeah, that way. Plain water taste.
Yeah.
ไม่ถามเข้ามา
Alright, now let's see if we find something else to eat. Or actually we've had a lot of food now for today. But still, if we find something, we'll eat that. Otherwise, we'll just roam around here until it gets dark, and we'll show you how the market looks when it is dark. So stick with us. We were over there having food, and now we've crossed the road and entered this alley here. And here there are these shops which are selling grocery, and you see some. These are some beans here. But then I also saw some dry fruits. I think these are dry fruits or fish. I don't even know what all of this is. I saw some dry fruits somewhere. Yeah, here. Cashew nuts and almonds.
This is 1 kg.
This is 1 kg. I
This
don't
for
know.
1 kg.
Is this 1 kg? Yeah, 320. So the prices of dry fruits here are not very different from what they are in India. And what is this? Fish maw. Fish maw. You know what this is?
It looks like papad.
I think this is. I don't want to touch it. I think this is fat of some animal. That is some animal fat.
I take some animal fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now these shops are closed here, but we'll just go further up and see what kind of shops are there in this alley, because we are just passing the time until it gets dark so that we can show you Chinatown in the dark before we end the vlog. So you want to stick around till the end of this vlog if you want to see Chinatown in all its glory. Everybody's checking out the exotic foods that they're selling at Pig Nose. Where? Yeah. That's the nose of pig. Oh, yeah, pig, right?
And nose.
Cup and cup. That's the things they sell here. Well, that's what you get to see when you come to these markets. Very similar shop to what we saw behind. What is this?
Is it the one they used with, what is that? The one we had in that market in
I don't know.
Pattaya?
We had
Remember
something like that?
The round one, and then in the middle there's rice. What is it called? Sushi. They use
Sushi.
it for sushi, I think.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe.
That wrapping, no?
Wrapping.
You can eat the wrapping.
That's
thing
made out of
also.
that, you think?
The black one, yeah. I think.
Okay,
They wrap it very small, and maybe they cut it.
okay, maybe.
Because if it's plastic, how can they eat everything when they keep inside their mouth for sushi?
Okay. Now I think we are nearing the end of this alley also. I see the road out there. And there is this a 7-Eleven? No.
We should enter 7-Eleven shop.
For the vlog?
Somebody asked me to go to 7-Eleven for the vlog.
Okay. Whoever that is, we did go inside 7-Eleven. It's just like a supermarket.
Yeah.
Why would you vlog a supermarket when you come to Thailand? This is peanuts. Fried peanuts. We can... How much for this?
I'm more interested in
50. And for this one?
This one is 100.
100. Let's take this one. Cashew
I'm
nuts.
interested in this one also.
Fried cashew nuts. Okay, that's monkey food. That's
You
why.
have a smaller packet. This is too
A
much.
smaller packet of that?
That's only same size. Yeah, 80
Same
baht.
size. 80 baht, same size. We will take this one. You want this for 80 bahts?
But this is too
It's
much.
200. It's too much, right? We are taking that cashew nuts, Missy. We'll have that. I said monkey food because in Lopburi, when we played with monkeys, they were selling this thing as feed for monkeys.
That I discover first, not monkeys.
Now let me open the cashew nut. I can't wait to check it out. They look yummy, very crispy, as you can see. Look at the cashew nut.
Brown cashew nut.
It's a fried one, Missy.
Mm.
For 100 bahts. I don't think it's a bad price.
Brown
I think the
cashew
prices
nut.
are same as what they have in India as far as these nuts go. But generally here, the prices are a little higher than in India and certainly than Vietnam. Vietnam is very much similar to India in terms of prices. Thailand is a little expensive. Now let's go out again and see whether it's dark enough and the lights are on. And now let's look at the glorious Chinatown at night with all the neon signs and glitter. This is the same street that you saw before. We had gone out for a while. We spent some time, waited for it to get dark, and now we are back again to show you how Chinatown looks at night. And this is as splendid as we thought it would look. And I'm going to also tell you the idea for the next vlog while we walk the street, because the next vlog also we're going to shoot right after we go out of Chinatown. So this vlog started out as the challenge for Missy to spend 1,500 bahts, but then we didn't know that there's not a lot of shopping to do here. It's mostly just food. So on food, it's impossible to spend 1,500 bahts, especially in this country and Vietnam and countries like that. Things are pretty cheap. So after we get out of this market, we will start the challenge again, and that will become the next vlog for you, where Missy will buy some clothes, some souvenirs to take back home, and we'll see if she's able to spend 1,500 bahts. You've seen all of this stuff earlier today in this vlog. So we will not spend any more money here, because we might also want to eat something when we go to the next market. But this is how this market is. If you're hungry, you will certainly find something here that you like to eat. There are so many options here. What's happening there? Now we'll go to Khao San. We've been to Khao San once before, where we had the spider and the scorpion. So yes, we'll go to the same market. We've not done a lot of shopping on that day. We told you guys that we'll do the shopping on the last day, because then we'll know how much money we have left to spend. And now this is that day. So that's it from Chinatown. Very bustling. This is the busiest market we have seen so far. Even busier than Khao San. And if that's wrong, then we'll know now, because now we're going to Khao San. So we'll find out how busy that market is at this time of day. Missy, let's cross. So that's it from Chinatown. If you liked it, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well. I guess there is one more vlog, only one more vlog remaining from Thailand. See you in that one.